Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. And if you wanna join the Amazon affiliate program, for example, that you wanna put a link in your website, I don't know, of this MetaQuest link, that when you explain about this product and people hit this link, it will bring them to this link, and if he finally buys the product, you can earn some amount of money according that Amazon has with this product. As we will see now, different products have different amount of rewards. So how to do that? So easy, okay? Just in Google, we will write Amazon affiliate program. As you can see, Amazon.com, Associated Central. Okay, let's go here. Now, which countries do support Amazon affiliates program? So as you can see, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Japan, Here is a list of the countries that you can join to the Amazon affiliate programs. If your country is not here, I'm so sorry, but you cannot join to this program. So for instance, let's say we are in the United States, so it's correct. So just now we have to follow the following steps. Sign up, recommend the product in your webpage, in your videos, wherever you want, the WhatsApp group chats, in the Telegram, wherever. And earn up to 10% in associated commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. That's the way it works. It's so simple. So for that, to start registering, we will hit in the bottom of the webpage the sign up button. And now it's gonna ask us an email or telephone number, password, or if you don't have even an Amazon account, create Amazon account with your name, with your email, and so on. I'm not gonna do this process, but it will be very so simple. Just follow what they are asking you. So after doing the sign-in process in our Amazon, in this case from Spain, okay, we have to see this web bar where if we click here, it's gonna go to affiliates.amazon dashboard. For example, in general summary of benefits in the last 30 days, as you can see, the gray bars are the numbers of clicks that people have done in any link that I have with the Amazon affiliate link, and the green is when they have buy something and I get a commission. In this case, this month they have ordered 2 products through my links and I have earned 10.77 euro. And 2 products from the 57 click in total. So that's a 3.51 conversion rate. Not a lot, but it's something. And if we want to see more details of these sellings, we just push in this button where it says in Spanish, but it will say view full report. And in this full report, as we can see in the last 30 days, okay, the green bars are my incomes, the green dot are the number of clicks, and the yellow are the number of the products they have ordered through my links. So the last dates of the sellings are those, so just click on them. So in this case, I sell Rankia adapter DisplayPort HD HDMI that it costs 9.08 and my affiliate rate is 11.11 of this product, so I earn this amount of money. Of course, each product has its own reward rate, and how we can see these rates. Okay, so here in help, ayuda in Spanish, if we go to the third option, okay, here's the table. For example, Amazon clothing, shoes, jewelry, watches, luggage, everything. If they buy directly from your link, you can obtain like 10% of this amount of whatever they buy. Indirectly attached purchases, that means maybe they can click in your link, but they are not gonna buy directly in that moment. Maybe they can buy in the next day, but not directly for your link, but they have already clicked before. So they can give you like 1% in that case. The most interesting thing, like electronic computer science, is just 4%, so it's not that much. Video game consoles, only 1%. Amazon supermarket, 3%, so and so on. You have here a lot of information that you can check by your own with time. So now let's close this tab and let's come here again, previous web page, and for example, just for example, okay, I want to sell this chair, like the price is 120 euro. Okay, let's say you have a chair's webpage and you want to put the link of this chair in your webpage. So instead of hit the Amazon affiliate web bar, we will hit in get a link text here. Why? Because this is the text that if we copy and paste, it's gonna bring us to this product in Amazon. And then if someone buys, we're gonna get a reward. For example, let's say, and you see Learn21 is my affiliate ID, Learn21. So let's say we're gonna paste this link here in the new bar, and it's bring me to this Amazon webpage. But here in the link, in the URL, we have to check somewhere Learn21. You see, Learn21, this is my tag. So this means if somebody buys now through, as it has my tag, I'm gonna receive a reward of this purchase. As simple as that. Thank you very much to watch the video. If you have any doubt, just write me below in the comment section that maybe I can help you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next videos. Bye.